Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the 256GB version in the new midnight green color. Keep in mind that this is the Hong Kong version of this phone, so it comes with the dual SIM capabilities. So you can actually put two physical nano SIM cards in the SIM tray. It's only available in the Hong Kong and China versions. Everyone else has to live with one SIM card and an optional eSIM. So let's do a quick unboxing and look at the different design features on this guy. So while we're looking at it, let's also talk about the features of this particular phone. So this has a 6.5-inch Super Retina OLED HDR display, and it has IP68 water and dust resistance up to 4 meters in water for 30 minutes. The battery life claims to be 5 hours longer than the XS Max. That's pretty impressive. And it can do fast charging with the included 18-watt AC adapter. So here's the most prominent new feature, the 3 cameras. Each 12 megapixel, there's an ultra wide, a wide, and a telephoto lens. Basically, it's half times magnification, 1x magnification, and 2x magnification. The wide and the telephoto lens have optical image stabilization as well. Video-wise, this can do 4K at up to 60 frames per second, and it can also do slow-mo up to 240 frames per second at 1080p resolution. So here's the midnight green color. It doesn't show up very well in our videos. Some people say it's kind of lackluster, but it is new, so what do you guys think? Layout-wise, it's extremely similar to the 10 and XS. Basically, you have volume up and down, and also the silent switch on the left side. And here on the bottom, basically you have your lightning connector, as well as your speaker holes, and also the microphone holes on the left. Here on the right side, you have the screen on and off, as well as the SIM tray further down on the right side. Okay, and let's take a look at the top notch where you have your front-facing camera. It's also very interesting. You see this blinking red light. That's actually not visible to the naked eye. That's the infrared light that is used to illuminate your face for the Face ID cameras. So overall, the design and layout is basically the same as the 10 and XS, except with obviously a better screen. And the other major difference is, of course, 3 cameras instead of 2. So you have the ultra wide, wide, and telephoto, and then of course you still have your light sensors and your LED flash. Okay, and let's take a quick look at the rest of the box before we finish up. Of course, you got the same documentation, stickers, etc. in there. Here's the earbuds. This one doesn't have the 3.5mm adapter. It's just earbuds. They go straight to a lightning cable. Here's your charging cable, and note this is a USB-C to lightning, and the adapter here is a USB-C adapter at 18 watts to do the fast charging. So that's different, and if you want to do the fast charging, you have to use this guy. This is, of course, the British version because we are here in Hong Kong. Okay, so that's it for today. Definitely check out our other videos for the iPhone 11 Pro Max here on Howtechs, and give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. If you guys can see that. There's also